Welcome to Mark Entertainment. I'm Joy Emenike. Please, we're with you.
Hey, I'm Miss Juliet Ofoma.
You are welcome there. As I can see, you are looking beautiful. I know you have a boyfriend.
Yeah, I have a boyfriend.
Wow, that is lovely. Do you have anywhere that your boyfriend may touch you that you will be turned on? You understand?
Yeah, I understand the question.
Okay.
Yes.
So where exactly?
Like everywhere at all. Can touch my body, like he can touch me. I can,
Where exactly?
I don't know. He can kiss me.
Just kiss. Okay. If you are to choose, if you are given an option to choose between a broke, hardworking guy and a rich Yahoo boy, who will you choose?
A broke, hardworking guy.
Why?
Because all these Yahoo guys now, their payment is just on God. Like if they cash out, but if they didn't cash out, like they will be broke as usual. But all these hardworking guys, like daily now, they will have something doing. Like at least they are proud of themselves. They can't be just broke. Like they'll have money in their, like every time they will have money in their hands. Like
okay, you are actually in a relationship because of the cash that your boyfriend will give to you, or what?
No. I'm not there. I'm just there because we love and care for each other. Just that. I'm not there because of the money.
Okay. If I should ask you right now, okay, you said you love him not because of the money, but because of the care. You care for each other. Are you on TikTok?
Yeah, I'm on TikTok.
Okay. Why do girls always twerk on TikTok?
I don't know. They are just showing themselves on social media. Just that. Looking for guys. Some are looking for money as well. Because you can make money on TikTok. So some people are looking for followers. Me too. Like I'm looking for followers now. So that's just it.
So what is your own strategy on TikTok?
I do dance. I do work my pictures there, do videos, just to be happy and have followers.
All right. Thank you for coming. I really appreciate your time.
Subscribe. If you are the turn notification bell. If you as many as Ketomade on Ever TV. Family do on Ever TV. One day you are born alone. The Jamz, the latest action movie in town. On Ever TV. Hey, come here. You don't subscribe to my channel. How are you? Where you're from? Make you subscribe to my TV channel. That's where I make you subscribe. Yeah? Okay, I don't give you flyer. You don't have. Give me one flyer there. I'm my guy. You don't have.
My name is Odnata Israel Wampo.
Okay. So, what do you think about your social life? People around you, how you relate with people, and things happening around you? Just tell us.
I am free to speak Igbo.
You are free to speak Igbo.
If I know that I Igbo kuro ofuma, because Igbo, I been if you make it na. If you kese me gondi. Obi ade ayam, mo kese me gondi Igbo na obi ade ayam. I been this Nigeria kita na papu Igbo papu. Na music kan Igbo wo kita. I na this out of this Igbo kita na I will Igbo kai this kai put ka kai Igbo ko na bra mata na Igbo na make. If you mara ndo, when mo no one more, so mo na mind over that in Pakistan. Onye ọbụla m onye na-amasị m ife adịghị mmasị onye ọbụla ma kịta na jos ife nọ kịta na bisi nwoke onwe gị weri ya.
Alright, thank you so much. You know, don't talk a little bit. I can make it one time. Okay, now. One, you give your job. Now, one, they have something with you. Thank you.
One in your
Blow job.
blow job.
Head. In your wine head. Nah. In your wine head. Now, one in your blow job. Thank you, like that.
Ịmara onyinye nwaanyị ma onyinye nwaanyị o weta isi bịa were isi o nwere ka esi enye onyinye nwaanyị ọ na-aka mma ka m nye ka ọ ụra igosi m understand ọ na-aka mma ka enye enye ụmụ anyị na-alaiki ka ha fụ ka ha wụ onye ha na-enye ka ha wụ nwaanyị mfe mere ụmụ nwaanyị ka a na-enye ha enye.
Ọ bụ ife kọwara blow job bụ na like blow job bụ like so inye mmadụ ọ bụ na blow job nwaanyị emeghe.
Ebe anyị na-akọ ama m ife anyị na-akọ ebe anyị na-akọ nke a gbasara gị ebe ahụ ife anyị na-akọ nke ebe anyị na-eje amaghị m ya.
Alright, no problem.
Amaghị m nke ahụ. Udo dị. Thank you. Onye mmụọ isi mgbaka mba bịa bụpụta ka ọ mịa ka etabere onye ohi lelee isi ya.
Alright, welcome to Emma TV. I'm a presenter with some pictures and videos. Please subscribe to Emma TV. Go to YouTube, click on the link below and subscribe to Emma TV. You are coming with a lot of bombs. You are going to love it. So we love you. Peace.
Thank you.
Tell us to subscribe to Emma TV.
Subscribe to Emma TV. You will enjoy it.
Alright. Everybody, welcome to Emma TV. I'm the presenter. My name is Richard Precious Adese, but we're known as Rishi B. So I'm here to ask you a few questions about your social life. But before we start, what's your name?
My name is Chidima.
Can you be louder?
My name is Chidima.
Chidima who?
Chidima Confidence.
Okay, what do you think about your social life? People around you, the way you relate with people around you, the way, things happening around you. So what do you think about it?
I'm not that kind of sister.
So you don't relate with anybody?
I relate to, but not.
You're not that friendly, not that social. Alright, no problem. So let me ask you a concept. You have a boyfriend, right? So, where exactly do your boyfriend is that will make you like? Where exactly is that place that your boyfriend will touch you? That will make you do whatever you want. You don't know. Are you shy? You don't need to be shy. Okay. Can you do? Will you love your boyfriend to give you blowjob? BJ. Do you love that?
To be quite nice.
Eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, people. That is something. Do you love blowjob? BJ. Let me tell you, BJ. Do you love BJ?
Yeah.
So you love your boyfriend to do it BJ. That means blowjob is that particular place that you do it there, that you not control yourself.
I don't know.
You don't know.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Please, welcome to Emma TV. I'm the presenter, so always subscribe to our YouTube channel, Emma TV, because we are coming with a lot of bomb. Okay, watch and share. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Friends, please subscribe to Jamz TV.